guys, today is a bit strange setting, but this means that it is a new vlog. Basically my previous vlogs I started with my room where I talk about everything I plan to do today, everything I have to do, I want to do, and I just should do, but this vlog will be a bit different because tomorrow I will wake up at 3 a.m. to go out with my family to mountains, on a trip, vacation, holiday, whatever. And I will try my best to film every single day, but I'm not say that it will be the case. I probably will film 3 days or 4 days, or if I have enough motivation I will film every single day. But for now I'm gonna sleep and I'll see you tomorrow at 3 or 4 a.m. Bye. So I'm more or less normal right now, although I'm still sleepy, but now we're gonna go in a few minutes. So it's 4:40 a.m. and we'll have to go. I'll film the rest in the car. I'm sorry for my speech. I barely can't think about anything, but okay, I'll start filming when I will wake up normally. Okay, bye.